Congratulations, UrinatingTree. You've actually managed to do something with your pathetic life. Somehow people find this shit enjoyable, and you've amassed 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. We're going to a dark place, aren't we, John? That's right, Bill. We've got a one-way ticket to hell with a side helping of unwarranted snark. Turns out being the angry video game fraud was getting him nowhere, and shockingly tried something new. Who knew that being completely bitter and disillusioned with life in general would lead to such an outpouring of support? Those poor sports teams didn't know what was coming to them. My God, I can't figure out what's worse, this revelation or his predictions. John, maybe next time he can declare that the Earth is the center of the universe. Wouldn't be as bad as a miss as some of his other things. Remember, he is always too good right now. Maybe the dumpster fire represents his toxic personality after all. The future is sure to be as bleak as ever. This fat fuck's ego is expanding at an exponential rate and will most likely result in seriously unwarranted self-importance. If there's any good news, he will probably go the way of many lolcows and be his own saboteur. It's the only thing we can hope for. This milestone has to be Spanos' fault. That worthless fuck.
It only took you 12 years. These people think I'm going to do a face reveal.